My name is Henry Brand and I got all 9s in my GCSEs. The aim of my channel is to help students succeed in A-levels, in GCSEs and succeed in their life from GCSEs and secondary school to sixth form and college. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I will respond to all comments. That's something I like to do on my channel, is keep it very interactive. No matter how big I get, I just want to make sure I'm uploading what people want. So please comment video suggestions. This video is a video suggestion from people that they've commented. And I'm going to get straight into today's video, which is the ultimate set of GCSE equipment / resources / essentials that you'll need for GCSEs to achieve top grades. Now this video is fairly similar to the A-level resource guide that I released. I've changed a couple of things. I've refilmed all of it. But if you've seen that video as well, this video is similar, but there are some small changes that I think are important from GCSEs. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you hopefully in future videos. Now all of this content is paid, so this is a paid resources, everything you need to buy for GCSEs to succeed. I will hopefully be doing some free resource and making you guys aware of those too, but that's the point of this video. And number 1 is a pencil case. So what I would recommend is getting 2 pencil cases. One that you can just keep in your bag for school, and one that you have at home that you can just use for revision. And that way you don't lose anything in your bag. I've linked everything that I mentioned today in the description. It's Amazon links, so check it out. Make sure you buy some of these. I'd recommend see-through ones so you can take them into the exam. But that point number 1 is a pencil case. That's definitely an essential, and obviously everything that goes in it too. Make sure you have that. Next up is a whiteboard. This is probably the best revision piece of equipment I could recommend to anyone. Whiteboard, pen, and rubber are complete essentials if you want to get top grades. This is perfect for maths, for essay planning, for just writing out maths questions from your laptop or anything. I'd really recommend everyone gets a whiteboard. You could do so much on it. You save so much paper. The pens, by the way, that I've linked in the description, these are the perfect whiteboard pens. I would recommend them. They're super cheap, they come in loads of colours, and they're really nice to use. But a whiteboard is an absolute essential for GCSE year, so definitely buy one of these. The whiteboard in the description isn't the exact same as this, it's a little bit different because I couldn't actually find this one. This one has crosses on one side and then it's plain on the other side. I have 3 of these, but I'd recommend a whiteboard the most out of all of this piece of equipment. Next up is a planner. This is the planner I had in year 11 for my GCSEs, and planners are incredibly important for thinking long term about your revision. They're structured, they have each day and then obviously the weekends as well of the week, and you can write in advance. So maybe if I study something today, I could write in 2 months' time to study it again. That's why planners are so important. If you want to achieve, if you want to do really well in your GCSEs, you need some form of planning your revision. I prefer these to timetables, revision timetables, because you can tick stuff off. It's a bit more flexible. So definitely buy the planners. I get the cancer research planners, but they come out every November. If you want ones for now, click the link in the description and there's an academic year one, so from September until the end of the school year. Definitely get a planner to help you plan your revision. Next up is high quality paper. Obviously you want some paper. At secondary school, which is slightly different to A-level, you usually get given books. So if you have those books in class, they'll pretty much be fine. But I still recommend some lined paper. The ones I've linked in the description are high quality that you can rip off, that you can write practice essays on, anything like that. So I've linked that in the description. Make sure to buy that too. Next up is textbooks. I'd get the CGP textbooks. They're the best. I'd get them for every single subject. So this will cost quite a lot of money, but I'd highly recommend them. They're really useful. That's what I made my flashcards out from, so the information in here, definitely get them for each subject if you can. I'd also recommend the Corbett Maths 5 a Day book. I talk about Corbett Maths loads on my channel because I think it's the best maths resource. All it does is contain 5 maths questions a day from different levels. So say you want a 7 to 9, you may want to pick the higher plus tier or just the higher tier. But 5 math questions a day, do them every single day and you will get insane at maths by the time GCSEs come around. Even then you could do it a couple days a week, but I recommend this to every single person I tutor. These Corbett Maths books are perfect for maths. A little bit of maths a day is better than 4 or 5 hours cramming in the last minute and panic. Now in terms of paid resources, the one online that I'd recommend getting is Quizlet Premium. Quizlet Premium is very useful. It removes all adverts on Quizlet. You should have heard of Quizlet by now. It's a revision app for flashcards. You can make flashcards on it. It's my favourite revision app. I had Quizlet Premium in my year 11, so in my GCSE year, and it's really useful just for subjects like history, geography, where you need quick facts. So like, when was the Battle of Hastings on one side and then 1066 on the other. So Quizlet is very useful for that. If not Quizlet, buy some paper flashcards to organise your flashcards. I've done a video on flashcard organisation. I'm going to do more in the future, but I definitely recommend getting Quizlet Premium. I think it's worth it too. I think it's about £30 a year. So out of all of the premium websites and stuff like that, Quizlet is the one I'd recommend buying the most. I hope this video was helpful. Those are the key resources, so equipment, textbooks, planners, whiteboards. That should help you get all 9s in your GCSEs. Please leave any comments in the description. As I said, I'll respond to all of them. If I forgot anything, let me know. Let me know if you have any questions about what you should buy or shouldn't, or what, anything like that, and I will respond. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully we can build some GCSE support for this year, because most of my subscribers have now moved into their A-levels, but I will of course be doing GCSE content too.